So, what if natay given nga fraction sa both sides, natay degree of 2 sa numerator or sa pikas side, unya sa duha ka both sides naay denominator nga naay variable. So mao ra gyapon i-transpose nato ang kanang number sa right side padulong sa left. So ibalhin na nato. So from negative 3 mahimo siyang positive 3 over x minus 3 is less than or equal to 0. Then i-merge nato sila by adding. So kailangan natay LCD. So ang atong LCD is 2x minus 6. Kung ato ning i-factor ning 2x minus 6 naman siya kaning na siya greatest common factor nga 2. So 2x divided by 2 is equals to x, then negative 6 divided by 2 is equals to negative 3. So common sila, na sila greatest common factor. So mao na niya tong LCD. Kay ma-divide man siya dira nya ma-divide pod siya dira nya mao'y pinakagamay. So 2x divided by 6 is equal 2x minus 6 divided by 2x minus 6 is equals to 1. 1 times 2x squared plus 7x is equals to 2x squared plus 7x. 2x divided by 6 2x minus 6 divided by x minus 3 is equals to 2. Maging ba 2x minus 6 divided by x minus 3 is equals to 2. So 2 times 3 is equals to positive 6 is less than or equal to 0. Then since na naman tay quadratic expression diri quadratic expression man ni siya, 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. So ato ning i-factor. So using the quadratic formula, negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, atong i-factor ang kana. So b nato is 7. Ang a nato is 2. Ang c nato is 6 over 2. A nato is 2. So x is equals negative 7 plus minus 7 squared is equals to 49. 4 times 2 is equals to 8. 8 times 6 is equals to 48. So negative 4 times 2 is equals to negative 8. Negative 8 times 6 is equals to negative 48. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. X is equals to negative 7 plus minus 49 minus 48 is equals to 1 over 4. X is equals to negative 7 plus minus square root of 1 is 1 over 4. So duha ka buok katong x. X is equals to negative 7 plus 1 over 4, and x is equals to negative 7 minus 1 over 4. So x is equals to negative 7 plus 1 is equals to negative 6 over 4, which is divided by 2 is negative 3 over 2. Og kani negative 7 minus 1 is equals to negative 8 over 4. X is equals to negative 2. So mao na siya tong duha ka buok x. Kung ato ning ihimong murag factors niya, so imo nang times, di ba, x is equals to negative 3 half times na ni mag 2 cancel. So 2x is equals to negative 3 transpose 2x is 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. So 2x plus 3. Kana transpose na nimo x is equals to negative 2. Transpose na nimo namang x plus 2. So mo na natong simplified nga inequality. So pangitaon na nato ang mga intervals. So naatay tulo ka buok sa numerator natay duha ka buok nga value sa x. 2x plus 3 og x plus 2. Sa ubos is 2x minus 6. Equate na silang tulo sa 0. Then pangitaon na tong value sa x. Diba natay answer diring kani ang atong x is equals to negative 3 half. So ang x na to is equals to negative 3 half. Kaya mao man ni siya. Ito. Kana. Kung ato nang i-transpose ng 3, positive 3, so 2x is equals to negative 3 divided by 2 divided by 2, x is equals to negative 3 half. Kung i-transpose na natong positive 2 is equals to, may mo siyang x is equals to negative 2. Kung kanya atong i-transpose ng negative 6, may mong positive 6 divided by 2 divided by 2, x is equals to 3. So ang tulo nato kabok, ang tulo ka x is negative 3 half, negative 2 og positive 3. So maghimo na ta og number line. So mao man na ang atong tulo kabok value sa x. So i-plot na nato sila sa number line, which is negative 3 half, negative 2 og x is equals to 3. Plot na nato. Ato na silang isolve kung aha sa ilaha ang included sa solution. So we will use the original inequality, which is 2x squared plus 7x over 2x minus 6 is less than or equal to negative 3 over x minus 3. So, if x is equals to negative 2, so 2 times negative 2 squared plus 7 times negative 2 over 2 times negative 2 minus 6 is less than or equal to negative 3 over negative 2 minus 3. So, negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. May mo na siya 7 times negative 2 is equals to negative 14 over 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 minus 6 is less than or equal to negative 3 over negative 2 minus 3 is equals to negative 5. 2 times 4 is equals to 8 plus negative 14 over negative 10 is less than or equal to negative 3 over negative 5. 8 plus negative 14 is negative 6 over negative 10 is less than or equal to negative 3 over negative 5. Kani may mo na siyang positive. So, unya, kani ma-lowest term man ni siya. Divide na nimo sa 2. So, may mong 3. Kani pa divide nimo sa 2. May mong 5. Positive na sila. Kay negative man. Kana pa may mong positive. So, appeal siya sa solution. So, shade ni siya ang negative 2. Appeal siya sa solution kay ni satisfy man siya sa inequality. Although parehas ang ilang value, pero ang giingon man diri is mas gamay or pareha. So ang pwede ra is mas gamay sa 3 over 5 or hangtod sa kanang kapareha sa 3 over 5. Kani ang 3 over 5 over 3 over 5 kay pareha man. Less than or equal to man ang giingon. So appeal siya sa solution. So if x is equals to negative 3 half, so mao na gyapon 2 times negative 3 half squared plus 7 times negative 3 half substitute lang. 2, ang x na to is negative 3 half minus 6 is less than or equal to negative 3 over negative 3 half minus 3. So, 2 times, negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus, 7 times negative 3 is negative 21 over 2. Over 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 over 2 minus 6 is less than or equal to 3. Negative 3 over 2 minus 3, unlike dissimilar fraction, so understood man ni siya nga na ay 1. So himuon na to ilang LCD nga katong mas dako sa 1, which is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. 2 divided by 1 is 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So mao na siya, pwede na nato ma-minus. 2 times, so dire na, 2 times 9 is 18 over 4 plus negative 21 over 2 over kaning negative 6 divided by 2 is equals to negative 3 minus 6. Kana negative 3 minus 6 is equals to negative 9 over 2. Muna na siya. So, pangitaw na to ang ilang kuan GCF sa numerator atong i-simplify ng numerator. So, since ang factor ato silang gamitan og LCM, pangitaon nato ang ilang LCD. So 4 is equals to 2 times 2, 2 is equals to 2 times 1. So mas daghan mag 2 ang sa 4, so atong gamiton is 4. 4 divided by 4, 1 times 18 is equals to 18. 4 divided by 2 is 2 times negative 21 is equals to negative 42 over negative 9. Negative 3 over 1 na i-divide nato sa, understood ba na siya nga 9 over 1, i-divide nato sa negative 9 over 2. So dire na, negative 18 minus 42, no 18 minus 42. So 18 minus 42, 18 minus 42, 18 minus 42, negative 24 over negative 9. Oh, no. 18 minus 42 is negative 24 over 4 over 9. Kani reciprocal na to, so negative 3 over 1 times, may mo na multiplication sign, times kana may mong negative 2 over 9. Cancel ni siya, kana may mong 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So may ang kani divide po na siya, negative 24 divided by 4 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. So negative 6 over 9. Kani mana na siya, no, na-cancel na kani 1 times 2 is equals to, di ba negative 9 na dera, negative 9. 1 times 2 is negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2. 1 times 3 is 3. Kani may mo na ni siyang positive, so 6 over may mo na siyang positive. Unya kani divide na nimo siya sa 3. 6 divided by 3, 2. 9 divided by 3, 3. Positive 2/3 is less than or equal to 2/3. So check siya, pareha siya, pero ang giingon man is ang solution dapat nimo is mas gamay siya sa, mas gamay or pareha sa 2 over 3. So i-shade ni nato. Included siya, so meaning included sila sa solution. Kani if x is equals to 3, mao ra gyapon nga kuan inequality. So 2 x squared is equals to 3 squared plus 7 times 3 over 2 times 3 minus 6 is less than or equal to negative 3 over 3 minus 3. So, diba, kung 2 times 3 minus 6 is equals to 6 na, 6 minus 6 is equals to 0. Undefined na ni siya, pati kanipod undefined. So, hollow circle siya. Dili siya pwede mahimong solution kay maka-undefined man siya. So, natay upat ka buok interval. Ang x nga mas gamay sa negative 2, ang tunga sa negative, suma na siya. Tunga sa negative 2 og sa negative 3 over 2. So ang atong kanan ni is x is naa siya sa tunga sa negative 2 og tunga sa negative 3 over 2. Unya ang x is naa sa tunga sa 3, nadyo diri sa tuo ang mas dako nga number. Og naa siya sa tunga sa negative 3 over 2 og x is mas dako sa 3.